Estuaries. We're talking about estuaries. Estuaries are relatively shallow semi-enclosed water bodies with a limited connection to the ambient ocean. Similar to Mediterranean seas, but much smaller and not deep. Okay, we talk about estuaries. Typical depth of estuaries is way less than 200 meters. Okay, but similar to Mediterranean seas of a limited connection, and this has implications. It implies that the salinity is different in an estuary. Okay, different to the salinity in the open ocean, and you have positive estuaries where the salinity is lower, and that's all the rivers that end up in the ocean are positive estuaries. Okay, and the estuary itself is the transition zone between the pure, almost fresh water of a river and then the salty water of the oceans. On the other hand, you have inverse estuaries where the salinity exceeds the salinity of the ocean, hypersaline water. Now again, these are remnant rivers where you have more evaporation than the supply of fresh water. Okay, one example is Spencer Gulf, Gulf St. Vincent, our estuaries here. So what's shown here on this slide is there are different definition of estuaries based on their geological origin. Okay, we have coastal plain estuaries, bar-built estuaries, or tectonic estuaries, or fjords. And I urge you to read the chapters in the textbook to be able to distinguish these type of estuaries. Later on in the lectures, we will actually use a classification of estuaries based on their distribution of salinity actually within the estuary. So there are different type of estuaries based on their dynamics.